Today is laundry day. We've been on the road for about 2 weeks now, maybe 3, and our first stop after Palo Duro, we were with family, so we were able to do laundry at their house. But then we went to Arkansas, and now we are currently in Mississippi on our way down to Florida. And so we have about 10 days worth of laundry. We had several thunderstorms, some critters, we've changed the sheets, and we just have probably 3 or 4 loads of laundry. I found a laundromat about 3 miles away from where we're staying and gonna go check it out. Rainy day is as good as any to do laundry. So I did find some larger washers just on the other side, which is probably what I should have done in the first place, but I had no idea. This is only my second time at a laundromat, so still learning.